In this fade tutorial, we would like to create a duck. A duck, in this case, is ducking the music underneath the narration. So I have some music here, and I'd like the music to go down underneath the narration here. One way of doing that would be to lower the level here, maybe break it here, pull up the level here, make a break there, create something like that. That would take some time. So instead what we can do is just go in and set an in marker where I want the fade to begin, and an out marker. Now simply drag the top line of the region within the selection, like so. We have created a slope in and a slope out with handles. Now I can adjust the handles here, like so. And I can do this real time as well.
Something clicked and it just seemed like the band had this amazing data source, so we had to grab it and had to start working with it.